Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about what is relation. Now relation. Relation. Last class I've discussed about the Cartesian product. So let A and B are two sets. Then a relation from A to B is a subset of Cartesian product of A and B. Let A and B are two sets, then a relation from A to B is a subset of Cartesian product of A and B. It is denoted by R is a relation from A to B. You can denote it relation. Let us take an example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to A. Then A Cartesian product B, we know, we have discussed it in the last class also. A Cartesian product B, 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3. Now what is a relation? We can take whole set as a relation, and we can take any subset of this as a relation. So we can make many relations from A to B, such as take R1 is a relation. We take R1. From here we take the elements. ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি মৌলবিলাক ল'ব লাগিব 1A 1B. Let I take 1A 1B and 2B. Clearly it is a subset of this. We can draw diagram like this. This is A, this is B, 1, 2, 3, A, B. 1 is related to A, 1 is related to B, 2 is related to B. This is the relation from A to B. We can take another relation also from A Cartesian product B, R2, which is ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি বেলেগ এটা ৰিলেশ্যন ল'ম. এইটো 2A 3A 1B. Suppose we can draw this also as 1, 2, 3 AB. Here 2 is related to OA, 3 is related to A, and 1 is related to B. You can take this. We can take another relation, like see, from here we must take the element R3, 1A, 2A, 3A. this is also in, we can take especially a diagram 1 2 3 A B. 1 is related to A, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to A. This is the relation. Clearly we see that আমি ইয়াত দেখা পাইছোঁ যে এই R1 R2 R3 is a subset of a Cartesian product. Therefore we can say that a relation from A to B is nothing but a subset of a Cartesian product B. Now range and domain. Domain, range and codomain. Let R is a relation from A to B. Then the first component of ordered pair AB, where small a belongs to capital A and B belongs to B, capital B, that is at B, is called domain of the relation. That the first component is called domain, and the second component is called range. Then what is codomain? The whole set B is called codomain. The full set B is called codomain. In the example above, we see R1, we take relation R1 as 1A, 1B, 2B, and we have drawn a diagram for this as like this: 1 2 3 AB, 1 is related to A, 1 is related to B, and 2 is related to B. Here range, domain R1. What is domain? The domain is first component of the ordered pair. First component 1 2, that is 1 2 is the domain, and range of R1, range is second component, that is range is codomain is the full set B. This is A and this is B, therefore full set B. B is A. In the example number R2 is above. R2 is a relation. We take is at 2A, 3A, 1B, and the diagram related to this is here. Diagram to আমি এখানে কে আঁকিছিল 1 2 3 A B, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to A, and 1 is related to B. Therefore range, domain of R2 is equal to first component 1 2 3 2 3 1. Here also 1 2 3 is the domain. Range R2 means second component A B, and codomain is equal to AB. That is set B. That is set B. In the example R3, we take a relation R3 above as 1A, 2A, 3A. Here also we have drawn the diagram. This 1, 2, 3, A, B. 1 is related to A, 2 is related to A, and 3 is related to A. The domain R3 domain. Okay. Domain of R3, first component 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Range R3 range to give first component, second component, that is A only, not B. Because B is not related to any one of the set A. Codomain, it is set B, that is A, that is AB. So this is all about the relation. Next class I shall come with some more examples and the actual problem.